Hello everyone, welcome to 304 Adventures. Today, been working on an axe. I want to reshape it, sharpen it, clean it up real good. I have some lettering there. It looks like to be a plum. Very good axe. It's an old axe. I like old axes. I like old stuff. I like making stuff, redoing stuff. Like to say welcome and thanks for subscribing. All you guys last night, my friends and family. It's going to be fun. This is going to be really neat for me. It's the first time I've ever tried anything like this, so I just like to let you guys in on, my life, the things that I find interesting. I appreciate you all tremendously. I hope you guys stick around. I hope you guys like my content that I'm going to do. It's going to seem kind of sporadic and, I do so many different things. I'm into so many different things. It's the way I am. I'm very curious about a lot of different things. So I hope you guys follow along and like what you watch. I'm going to try to get this halved out, the rest of this halved out. Sprayed her down with some WD-40, handyman secret weapon, WD-40 and duct tape. Some good stuff. So, yeah, hope you enjoy. You guys are wondering why my finger stuck out like this. I hurt it there a week ago and it's still kind of sore, so don't make fun of me too much about my finger being stuck out. I know it looks kind of weird, but boy, that old booger stuck in there tight. Might have to get the drill out and do some drilling. I really have an old file here somewhere. That's no good. We can as you can kind of tell, I'm not really that prepared for this. reason, I thought this was going to come out a lot easier than this. That didn't work. Let's try to flip her over and try to draw some of it back out. It's starting to come out now. Yeah. Maybe get a little smaller chisel. Oh, I see what's happening. I'm bottoming out. That's why it's not coming out. Let's try this way. There, drive her all the way through, flip her over, drive her back out. There we go. There we got it. Really rusted in there. Sorry it's taking me so long. Just kind of. This happens when you're working on old stuff. Stuff just doesn't want to come loose. Doesn't want to come out. Oh, got a big chunk out there. Yeah. Loosen her all up. Very stubborn and stuck in there. Should have soaked it last night, but I didn't. Y'all still there? Good. Well, we broke a piece loose now. Look at that. Now we're working with something here. Maybe we'll put it in there like that. Maybe we might be able to. There we go. Now, one more piece to get out there. We can go to the grinding and sanding. We got wire brush the hell out of it. There we go. Oh, there we go. And it'd be gone. It'd be out. That old hickory's tough. Yeah. Now we're gonna chuck her up in the vise. I got a little sanding wheel on my drill. We're gonna need to get me a better vise. My vise is old. That's okay, because I like old things. I hate spending money on stuff. I'd rather make it than I would. I'd rather make it than I would buy it. Just something I am, something about me. If I can make something, I'd rather make it. Refix old stuff. There we go. Now, get the electrical cords back up out of the way. Let's see what we can do here. Well, and just as I suspected, it is a plum. It's a plum. Looks like number 4. A friend of mine, Warren, gave me this axe head a long time ago. It was in his basement. Asked him what he was going to do with it. Said I could have it if I wanted it. I've had it for a couple years. I've always been meaning to get around to doing it, but never did. I figured, hey, started my channel up. What better way to start the channel than restoring an old axe, an old plum number 4 axe. A lot of you guys might think this is a little weird, a little boring. That's okay. Maybe one day you'll find an old axe. You'll be like, huh, I remember watching Ralph do that. I don't even know if you guys can hear me while I'm running the drill. But yeah. Got a little beat up, a couple spots there beat up, but that's all right. We got a grinder. We got a grinder right there. We're gonna belt grinder. We're gonna pull it out there. See about getting her all set up there. Reprofile that thing. Now, this is part 1 of this axe restoration. I'm getting the head right. Then I'll go get me a haft. And a lot of you maybe might not know, the handle of an axe is actually called a haft. Putting the handle in an axe, it's called being hung. Hung a haft in an axe. Hanging a haft in an axe, I would say. I guess that's how you say it. I'm not sure. Here's another one that I'm going to be working on. Putting a new handle in, cleaning up. It's an old True Temper double bit. Kind of really neat. I've had it for a while. I'll be doing that one eventually. Not right now. I'm working on this one right now. So, I hope you guys are enjoying this, following along. We're going to edit a lot of this out. We'll speed some of this up. I've got an editor. My daughter, she works for free. I love her to death. She's down in Florida. She's volunteered to edit my videos if I send them to her. So since I don't know nothing about all that, that's probably what's going to happen. Oh, let's see now. Put a little bit of oil in the motor. I don't know if this is right. Maybe don't know if you should put WD-40 in the motor, but that's all I have. It's what I have right now, and that's what it's going to get. Let's see. Turn it on. There we go. Safety glasses doing, but I don't have any right now. I know I'm going to get help from my friend John, our safety guy at work. He's going to yell at me tomorrow when I get back. I'll remedy that on the next one, John, I swear. I promise. a little closer here. Yeah, that might help a little bit. A lot more sanding, a lot more cleaning. Maybe try her up there like that a little bit. You guys can see that there's kind of a flat spot in there. I'm going to work that out so it's nice and round, and we got a good profile. Go ahead and back y'all up here again. Yeah, you can see me now, can't you? Slide that on, back in there for a second, so I need back in here. I'm gonna have to reconfigure my vise here a little bit. It's kind of kicked off to the wrong direction. A lot of people that have subscribed to my channel so far, y'all kind of know me. Most of you know me really well, friends, family, such like that. I appreciate you. Yeah. No idea how much I appreciate you. Right now, I'm just taking a file and cleaning up the inside. And for those of you guys who don't know me, that will subscribe, watch this video, hopefully, and decide to subscribe to my channel. You all, welcome. I really hope that you guys like my channel. Oh, Yeah, now we're getting that good one cleaned up. I think my wife's going to be really happy with me doing this channel because it's going to leave me outside a lot, and I'm not going to be in there bothering her. God bless her. She loves me. I love her more than anything in this world, for sure. But I'm sure I can get on her nerves because I get bored easy, so I don't sit still very long. I'm constantly up doing something. Tinkering. Tinkerer. That's the word for me. I am a tinkerer. I am a constant tinkerer. That's why I think I have so many hobbies. You know, one of my great loves in life is hunting, fishing, making knives. I enjoy making knives. I don't do as much as I used to. I got a Harley now. I've had a Harley for about 2 years now. I love riding it. I love the freedom of it. Just getting away, being out there, being free, being alone. You know, me and my wife ride a lot together. And it's the closest you can be to someone without saying a word, in my opinion. Without talking for a pretty long period of time, and really, but bond, you know, that's the secret to it, is bonding. For us, it saved our marriage. The motorcycle saved our marriage, believe it or not. You guys might laugh and be like, what? It did. We were in a pretty rough spot there at one time, and we bought an old 1988 Honda Shadow. We both climbed on and decided that we're gonna start riding motorcycles, and saved our marriage. Thank God it did, because I don't know what I would do without her. I really don't. She's something. She's very, very special. She bought me this camera yesterday out of nowhere. I was talking about buying one, and she went out and got it for me, and by God, here we go. Actually, if you want to be honest, this is the second camera I had to get, because the one she bought yesterday for me took a crap, wouldn't charge, wouldn't do anything this morning, so I had to take it back and get a new one. So this is the new one. But, you know, I think we're all good set up now. So, hey, here we go. Boy, yeah, that's starting to come along there. Got some more cleaning up to do. Some more filing. We'll file some more on this thing, and we'll get it right. It'll look right. It's gonna look good. Definitely need to get a new vise. My vise is a little screwy. Oh, I got some chips and junk right there. Need to work on. I told some of y'all last night that I was going to make another video today, and everybody seemed really supportive. Man, I'm telling you, you don't know how much that I appreciate that. I appreciate the support, the love that everybody's showing me for this. Steel toes. Always make sure you wear your steel toes in the shop. Looks like we can take some more off right there. After I look at it a little closer. Come along right there. Contrary to popular belief, with an axe, you don't have to get it razor sharp. You just got to get a good edge on it. You're going to be splitting. If it's a splitting axe, a felling axe, if you were going to fall with this axe, you definitely want a good hand filed, hand stoned edge on it. Which that's probably what I'm going to do with this. I'm probably not going to fell anything, but it's going to be really sharp. It's going to be. I'm going to paint it, I believe. Maybe not. I may clean it up real good, sand it real good with, polish it, blue it, like I would a shotgun. That'd be really cool to do. And I think that's probably what I'm going to do with this one. It's going to be a wall hanger for sure. It's a little too tight over. Oh, she's looking good now, boys. Yeah. It's looking good. It's nice and even. The bevels are even. Except down there in that corner, I need to take a little more off there. I think I'll do that. Oh, perfect. Perfect. That was good. That was good. Now, it's already 38 minutes into this video. Holy cow. But yeah, that's part one of this video. I've got to go get some stuff. I got to get some sandpaper, some other stuff to sand her down a little bit more. Go find my grinder, my angle grinder with the wire wheels on it, and maybe and we'll clean her up a little better. But hey, thanks for coming along on the first part of my axe build. This is one of the first axes I've ever redone totally. I have a very old plumb axe that still got the original haft in it that I keep, and it's really cool. I'll have to get it out and show it to you guys sometime. But I appreciate it, and thanks for watching. Thanks for putting up with all my nonsense. I appreciate it. I do. I've said it before, and I do. I appreciate it. Y'all stick around. We'll go on some really cool adventures, I'm sure. Thank you, and see you guys.